How to give Robux to friends in 2025 without group. Now there are two parts to do this method. First part is who or the one that will receive the Robux, and the other part is the one who will give the Robux. So we will start first on the person who will receive the Robux. Now what you need to do first is just to access Creator Hub, just heading directly to creator.roblox.com and make sure that the person who will receive this will logged in to his official account on Roblox. Now head on to creations and then click on your current place. Scroll down a bit till you find monetization. Go to passes and then just simply create a pass. Now there's no need for you to change your icon, or you can also change it depending on your preference. So let's name this as test and then create pass. Now once you have created a pass, you can now go ahead and access the specific pass that you have created. Now, what you want to do from here is just to simply adjust the specific price on the game pass that you've created, depending on how much or how much will your friend give you Robux to. Next thing to do is just to click on the three dots and just choose on copy asset ID. Now, that specific ID will be sent out directly, or you'll have to send the ID to the friend who will give you the Robux. Now the other part is the giver. Now the giver's end, he just needs to click on the link and then purchase the specific amount that you input here on your Game Pass, and you should be able to receive that amount. So that's how you give Robux to friends in 2025 without a group.